BlitzTankStats.
Hi everybody, it's Mirage Mike here. It's time to do another BlitzTankStats challenge. Today we're going to be doing a Tier 8 all-rounder challenge, so we're just going to have a quick look on the website as we normally do.
BlitzTankStats.
So here we are, it's this one, it's called Constant Focus. It's in the second round. I'm playing against Andreas from the Fuzz clan. It looks like nobody's played so far, so we'll go and start it off. As always, we need to just go in and start the match. So we'll start the game engine watching for my games. As you see here, we've got a nice recording icon here telling us it's recording. That's all we need to do to make it to watch, so we'll just go and play it. It's an all-rounder, so we're basically based on damage. We don't need to do as much damage as we can in a tier 8 light, a medium, a heavy, and an AT. So simple as that. Let's hope the range gods are with us. We'll just switch over to the live scene and we'll start playing. Okay, so here we are in the nice event garage. I've got my FV301 ready. I'm going to start with that one. I think we'll go down the line, do lights, mediums, heavies. So we'll don't think we're playing ratings though. We'll switch that off. We'll go for regular encounter, and we'll do battle and see how we get on. Hopefully we'll get some nice teams today. Okay, it looks like we're in Port Bay. It's no platoon matches, so which is good. I've got a few no names on their side. No clan that I particularly know, but we're top tier, so it can only go well, really. Let's hope so, anyway. We're not playing Supremacy, but we'll go and scout this seaside anyway. We've got one Annihilator on there, so we haven't got an Annihilator, we've got a Drac though, so I'm going to go and scout and see where they are. Okay, so the SB1C is there. The Rev's gone across the river. It does look like they're coming this way then, doesn't it? Drac's gone across the river as well. So they're going to hit there, so the Eagles come that way as well. How's our team doing? At least the team's come with us. I should have maybe gone across the river. I don't like playing that riverside though. SB1C at the back there. Just missed him. Try and get an aim on him. He's moved up, hasn't he? I think they're isolated, aren't they? Only 3 of them went that side. Incredible, really. Took a bounce there. Very lucky. It makes you wonder where these other guys have gone to, doesn't it? What they've been doing. They've gone for a drive around the whole block. Don't think they're the best of players, really, are they? Put some into his weak spots there. Still aiming at us. Nearly wiped me out there. Maybe wasn't the wisest thing to do pulling out, but I thought, well, I'll try and get an extra bit of damage on him. Of course, hit the track. Get some knots into this Annihilator's hood there. Fortunately got his turret turned, he's gone. Both gone. Well, that's a win and a survive. I don't know what the damage is like. Won't be that good, I don't think. 1762 now. Bit on the low side, but it's a win. We'll have that. Okay. So that's the light game done. We'll switch over to the meds now. Which one to play? I'm going to try with this Lorraine 40T. Had it for very long. Haven't played it very much. It's a nice looking tank now, as you can see, and it's neon camo. Before we just go that, we'll just go and have a quick look on the website again, actually. So let me just close that up, and we'll come into here, and we'll see it's brought the battle matches, battle statistics in here, so we can see I had 14 shots, 12 hits. All interested in damage though, so it's recorded 1762 damage. Okay, so that's good. First battle's in. Switch back to the game. I normally like to check actually it's in. It's pretty reliable nowadays, the game engine and the stats lookup, but it sometimes is a bit slow, so if you err on the cautious side, you can always wait until it comes in or refresh it yourself manually. I've added a new refresh stats button actually on the main account menu, so just for that purpose, so you can just quickly ask the engine to reload your stats after the game's finished, and that will go and pull them in and pull any battles in for you. I'll maybe show you that after the second match here. Okay, I didn't really look and pay any attention who was playing. So again, we've got a couple of heavies. Gone central. Let's just get out of the way of him. Gonna be looking in my direction. Oh, no. It's on hiding. So it looks like they've gone all the way around, doesn't it? Oh, they must have gone right there. Those we haven't got anybody spotting on that right side though. So it'll be, yeah, here we go. So there's a Tiger 2 there. I'm just going to reposition. Took a bad hit there. Didn't need to do that. Bad. What's going on there? This wouldn't load those last bullets in, would it? God knows what's happened. Really bad game. Really, really bad game. I'm not really sure what happened with my with the game there. It didn't seem to reload those bullets, did it? I got a full lineup of the Reds shooting at me. Lesson to be learned there, I didn't need to take that risk and drive across the open. And I was going to try and come around and flank on this side, but I should have been more judicious in my use of the of where I was driving, because I knew that the Tiger 2 was there. Are we going to win the game? We don't know. One thing for sure, I know I didn't get a lot of damage in. 230 something, I think it was. And I got stuck here, look. So I haven't really played that Lorraine very much, but I normally have a better game than that, that's for sure. Looks like it's going to be a win for the team anyway. Without much help from me. She's done a good job of mopping up there for us. Good job, mate. We'll give him a thumbs up there. Yeah, 231 damage. Really far. Give him an effective play. I do like the 4502 actually. I do like that heavy tank. I might have a go in that myself. So we'll just switch back to the website and I'll show you that button I was talking about. So if we close this down, if you look up on the top of the account page here, on the menu, we've now got a reload stats option here. And basically what that does is it goes through and it asks all of the accounts you've got linked to be reloaded. And so if we go back to the challenge now, we should have those results in. So it's a quick way of ensuring your stats are reloaded without updating the website. When you go back into the challenge, it'll then update. Yeah, so pretty poor. Got 2 hits, only 1 with damage though, so have to forget that game. Move straight on to the next one. And for this, we are going to play with tier 8 heavy. So what have we got? Options. I'll take the low actually. Nice and reliable. It's got its Halloween camo as well, so it's in the spirit of the time. Have to hope we get some better, play a better game this time. We all have those bad games though. We've got to just move on and go for the next one. Okay, so we're in a platoon game. We've got no clans that I know, but on tank sides we've got a platoon, rum platoon, which could be interesting. We've got Lorraine 40T and E75. We're again top tier. We've been kind with top tier. We've got a Leo and an Annihilator. We've both got an Annihilator, so I think they will actually go this way. Just destroyed that tractor. Our Annihilator's going straight up the jaws of the map here, straight up the road. Pretty sure they will go left, but there you go. You never know. There's hardly any meds and lights, but they've still gone the lights route. Interesting. See if we can use that to our advantage then, if we can get some shots on them from these from the hills. Just missed him. Try and get a vantage point on them. There's her on there. There she blows. I don't know, it's on me there. There's Tiger 2. Still sniping Tiger 2 there, what's he doing? Crap, didn't need to do that again, did I? Taking hits all over the place there. Switch to should be able to take a shot of this guy. Switch to HE. I'm pretty sure I can take one shot from him unless he gets a really high roll. Which he doesn't. A bit lucky there. So we've just got the Annihilator and this other E75 TS. Again, playing a bit carelessly today. I took a few shots there which I didn't need to take. I knew that run was pointing at me, but have to be careful. Well, they're both coming here. He's fluffed it. Should have maybe gone for the ram. I think he would have won there. We've got Emil, nicely camped in the corner. No shots there. Well, you on your own, mate. Emil, camped up. No sign of movement. Oh man, that's the one thing you didn't want to do, is miss. Emil, get him, go on. No, no, he's not looking at you, go on. What are you doing? You're just letting him move out of the way. Oh man. It should have been a win, shouldn't it, this? Rum just needed to make sure of that shot. Move, please, come on. He's got the pen to pen him in this as well, and he's just going up. No, go, go! You've got the HP to take a hit. No, and I was HE'd him. No, 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 no. Oh dear. Oh no, we shouldn't have lost that game. We'll give him a worthy opponent though. He was the only one fighting on their side, to be fair, and he got 6 kills. But man was luck on his side there. All Emil needed to do was stay in target. He didn't need to hide. He was always going to get hit, wasn't he? Oh well. Okay. So let's just nip back to the website, and we'll see that again. See it come in. So here we are. We'll steal back up here. Reload stats. Shops a good one, and we'll go in. There we go. We've got 2992 damage there. So made up a little bit for the medium, but I think that's going to cost me because Andreas is a good player. We'll go on to the third and final match, which is the 80s, which really aren't my bag, to be honest. So we'll see what we've got. We've only got the T28 prot, so we shall have a go. I hope we do well. I think it's the only chance of me winning in this challenge is if I get a nice some nice big numbers here. Okay, so here we are, Dynasty's Pearl, encounter battle. We've got a random smattering of various people, none in clans, nobody I know. Yes, it's going to be an interesting game, and I'm in the super slowmobile here. Can we go left, please? I think the meds will go where they want to go. In terms of tanks, we've got an IS-8 and IS-3 on our side. They've got an Emil and a low. All tier 8s and 9s. We've got T-54 versus I think the WZ could be nasty. I don't know if I've got enough power to actually pen his front with this. Oh, I think I have. Just if we can actually get a shot on him there. Our T-54's nearly dead. Driven straight into that guy. Put one into that JP. He's still staying there, is he? A nice strong turret here, so it's a pretty good position. It's gonna be hard pressed to pen me from there. If we can get the low. Oh, yeah. Pump one into that room. If we can get another one into him before he goes. No. I still had HE loaded, didn't I? Not looking good. No. Team folded, look. Mr. O's here. QQ, or whoever his name is. I'm guessing he's not been in the battle. Oh, there you go. 1 versus 4. Time to shine, man. Mr. QQ. He's skilled too, so he has been doing something. Unfortunately, we're not being able to see what that was. I don't think I got a lot of damage in there as well. 1 shot on the JP, 2 shots maybe. Shot on the low, which tracked him, didn't do any damage, did it? Just keep him moving, bit of moving target practice for these guys. And it'll be over with shortly, I'm sure. Wasn't the best game for me though. Oh, come on, Mr. QQ. He's giving a good run around. They're all slow tanks there, team. Oh. He could have saved us a few minutes of our lives there and just done it a bit quicker, couldn't he? 981 damage. No, it's hardly a stunning game. Well, that concludes the challenge. I think it's all my matches played. So we'll just go and quick look back on the website, see what can come in. Hit the reload. Go straight in there. Right, T28 prototype there. So we've got a total of 3,000 4,000, 5,000 with those in. Nearly 6,000, so 1,500 average is not... It's not the best, but it's not the worst either. So we just have to hope that Andreas has a mare like I did. Thanks to joining us for this challenge. Not the best gameplay from me today. A little bit rusty, but I hope you enjoyed it nonetheless. And remember, you can take part in these challenges too by going to the website. They're free to take part in. If you're enjoying these videos, don't forget to subscribe. Do me a favour, and we'll see you for the next one. Cheers. It's been Mirage Mike here. Bye bye.